Someone at Molex has really embraced the motto to go big or go home, and they went big with Molex Mega-Fit Power Connectors. The Molex Mega-Fit Power Connectors provide engineers with a connector that can support up to 30 amps per circuit, and this current is supported for hot plugging at 48 volts for at least 30 cycles. Safety is ensured thanks to a fully shrouded design, along with the use of a polarization and positive locking. The use of a 6-point contact interface not only provides a low resistance path, but also increases reliability of connection. And the inclusion of compact mounting holes on the side reduces the overall PCB footprint. Finally, with an operating temperature of -40 up to positive 120 degrees Celsius, Mega-Fit Power Connectors keep on working in the toughest applications.